Everyone here in Flagstaff, Arizona, they have Pause just released this new Restart 12. I want to walk you around it real quick. It's gonna be kind of raw, so bear with me, but I want to show you this new Restart from Pause. Okay guys, so here's the Restart 12. I'll walk you around the outside a little bit, and we'll go inside where the real good stuff is. So we still have the outdoor kitchen that's pretty common on the Pauses. A griddle cooktop, a ever chill little drawer fridge. I like to use this for drinks, keeping stuff cold. You do have a sink as well, and this is plumbed with hot and cold water. It's a pretty easy system. You just twist it to turn it to hot or cold, and then you have a little outdoor sink. This griddle is great, cooking up breakfast, bacon and eggs. Really a big fan of this. And then here you also have a drop-down kitchen. So here is the drop-down table. So it's a nice prep space while you're cooking your food to play stuff, sit and hang out. Coming up here, this is a Restart. So it is on the Lippert frame. It's powder coated and e-coated. So there's, even if you scratch that powder coating off, it's still got the e-coating to it, which kind of adheres to the frame. So that's not a worry. If you're off-roading, you're likely gonna scratch a couple times, but double protected. Here's the pass-through storage. It's also where your batteries are. So at ROA, we bring them with the 306 amp hours of Expion 360. Also a Victron 2000 watt inverter. And then you do have your MPPT controller, and you got 200 watts of solar on the roof. Comes with your power cord, your tools for your stabilizer jacks. Coming under to the frame, this has the Kurt Beast Mode suspension. This is a good independent suspension. If you've seen our Moab trip, we took the Restart 17 out with the same exact suspension frame system, and it handled great. So, you know, dirt roads, forest roads, for what most people do, this Kurt Beast Mode suspension is just fine, works great. The walls are also a fiberglass backed by Asdel with a layer of foam insulation to help reduce the thermal bridging. You're still getting that same quality on the walls from Pause. And this is the 12-foot box, so it's a little bit shorter than the 17-foot. You still got your spare tire and a bike rack back here. So there is the outside tour of the Restart 12. Now let's go inside to show you the good stuff. All right, so let's walk in. First, I want to point out right when you walk in, before I show you the rest, there is a massive amount of storage. Look at this. I'm going to open this up. Huge wardrobe space. Little shelving here for clothes. And then you do have a rack here to hang clothes. Just absolutely massive. Big drawer here too. All locking latches as well. And then you got more storage underneath. They did a really great job with the space here. Really big wardrobe. Just nice to have that storage here right when you walk in. Really good use of the space. Now, let's show you the rest. Here's a quick overview. Here's the bathroom right here. And then here's your overview. Nice bench area. This table is pretty neat. It slides in and out, so it tucks underneath the bed. There's these little stools here. These can be used to sit on as well. You know, sit across from each other if you want. It also can be used as a footrest when you're sitting on the bench. Also can be used to step up into the bed. This is east to west queen size bed. Very cool use of space. Feels very spacious in here for a 12-foot trailer. And one of the big selling points here is this kitchen. So you do have some storage above here. You have a microwave, air fryer, convection oven. That's pretty sweet. I mean, look at that, you get that. But also an indoor fridge and freezer. So you have that little drawer fridge on the outside, but you have this pretty large fridge for a 12-foot trailer and the freezer too. So that's a really nice feature. Indoor fridge, 2-burner stove here, and a fairly deep sink. This faucet just comes up, spins around. It's a very cool use of space and floor plan. Here's a better look at the bed. And then you do have a TV while you're chilling in bed. It can swing out too. You can watch from the booth. Nice little storage area under here. These are fun too. These little wireless chargers, but also power towers with USB-C, normal USB, two 120-volt outlets. And that just pops down. You can sit your phone on there and charge it. More cabinetry up here. And then I just forgot to show you, but you have a little bit more storage under here. The bulk of your storage is in that first little storage area I showed you. Yeah, blackout curtains. Once again, the bench, and this bench does flip up and becomes a little bar area too. And that's also another use for these little stools, is you can use these stools to sit at the bar area, look out at the view, the window. We don't have a great view right now. We just have a view of the show. Well, we do have a view of the Roma Rex, which I think is great too. But very simple, but great use of space in this Restart 12. Now that I've showed you the main area, I want to show you another stunning feature, which is the bathroom. So check this out. This is a dry bath. So your toilet is not in your shower. It sits outside of the shower. And you have a pretty good sized shower. So pretty incredible in a 12-foot trailer like this to get a bathroom that's a dry bath like this. Nice mirror here. You can see behind the scenes of the setup what's up. But look at this. Absolutely amazing. The dry bath. So if this Restart 12 is a fit for you, if you're looking for a 12-foot trailer with inside fridge and a dry bath, this might be the one. Reach out to your closest experience center. We have them in Arizona, Colorado, South Carolina, and Utah. The numbers just popped up. They'll also be down in the description below. We'll also have a link there for a brochure. And I always recommend reach out to a sales coach. You can text in any of those numbers and ask your questions. They're there to help you and guide you and help you make the right choice. So there's a Restart 12. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.